What if this video turned into a live trivia game you play with your friends right now? But this isn't just a video. Scan the QR code, and instantly you're competing live, climbing the leaderboard, and hitting your friends with power-ups. This is the first fully interactive quiz on YouTube, with new games every day. Scan now, or fall behind.
Do you think you're smart? Well, prove it. Scan the QR code on screen and join the quiz instantly. You can play by yourself or create a room and challenge your friends. Earn power-ups and multipliers. Or bring chaos to your opponents. The smartest brain wins. Scan now and start playing.
Next up, science. From atoms to galaxies, this category will test your knowledge of how the universe works. Let's see how many questions you can get right.
Now we're in the difficult level. This quiz is for ages 18 and up. Are you ready to start? Here we go. Round 1. 4 options, but only one is right. What year was the Dartmouth Conference, widely considered the birthplace of AI, held? Alan Turing proposed a test to measure machine intelligence. What did he originally call it? Which country was Alan Turing born in? What term describes the periods in AI history when funding and interest sharply declined? Which neural network architecture revolutionized NLP and underpins models like ChatGPT? What type of machine learning uses labeled training data? In reinforcement learning, an agent learns by receiving what? Which company developed the AI model known as ChatGPT? Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated a world champion in which game? What does NLP stand for in the context of AI? Which fictional AI is the villain in the film 2001: A Space Odyssey? Skynet is the AI antagonist from which film franchise?
This has to be a mistake. Because in 1100 hours, all primary military systems were secure.
They were. Only the civilian sector was affected. Internet, air traffic, power plants, that sort of thing. But then a few minutes ago, we got word that guidance computers at Vandenberg crashed.
Which country is home to the research lab that created AlphaGo and Gemini? What is the name of the process where a pre-trained model is adapted to a specific task with additional training? What is AGI short for? Which AI defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997? What kind of AI is currently powering most real-world applications like search engines and recommendation systems? Which company developed the AI system called Watson, famous for winning Jeopardy? What philosophical thought experiment asks whether a computer program can truly understand language? Which term describes bias in AI that arises from skewed or unrepresentative training data? Self-driving car technology is most prominently associated with which company's early public testing?
There's no driver in the front. I'm not nervous. Are you nervous? I'm not nervous. Here we are, riding in a minivan with nobody in the front seat.
In which US state did the Dartmouth Conference take place? Which iconic sci-fi character is an android crew member aboard the USS Enterprise in Star Trek? What is the main ethical concern when facial recognition AI is used for mass surveillance? Which learning technique trains an AI by having it play games against itself millions of times?
It has these three main components. There's the policy network, which was trained on high-level games to imitate those players. And
John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence, was a professor at which university? Which technology does Spotify and Netflix primarily use to suggest content to users? What term describes the challenge of ensuring a superintelligent AI's goals remain aligned with human values? Which famous author wrote the novel I, Robot, which introduced the 3 laws of robotics? What does the term hallucination mean when applied to large language models? Nice work. That's the end of this round. Let's move on to the next one. Are you ready? Round 2. Graph plots. Mark the correct point on the graph. When did the Dartmouth Conference take place and how many attended the conference? GPT-3 was released by OpenAI in what year, and with approximately how many billion parameters? In what year did DeepMind's AlphaGo defeat world champion Lee Sedol, and how many games did Lee Sedol win in that match? When did the first AI winter start, and how many years did it last? The robot from A Space Odyssey was portrayed as becoming operational in what year in the film's fiction? What number did it get a sign? Time to check your score. How are you doing? Let's continue the quiz. Round 3. Tag cloud. Pick the 4 correct answers from the 12 options. Which of these are key figures in the early history of AI? What do you know about the Dartmouth Conference of 1956? Which concepts are core to how modern neural networks learn? What can you tell me about the transformer architecture in AI? Which of these are real-world applications of AI in healthcare? Which ethical concerns are most associated with AI systems? What do you know about famous fictional AIs in film and TV? Which terms relate to reinforcement learning in AI? What can you tell me about OpenAI and its most notable work? Which ideas are central to the debate around artificial general intelligence? Round finished. Who's on top of the leaderboard? Let's keep this trivia party going. Next round. Round 4. numbers round. Type in the correct number. In what year was the Dartmouth Conference held, widely considered the founding event of AI as a field? How many layers does a typical basic neural network have at minimum, counting input, hidden, and output? In what year did IBM's Deep Blue defeat world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a historic match? Alan Turing proposed his famous imitation game in a paper published in what year? OpenAI released ChatGPT to the public in what year? How many parameters in billions did GPT-3 have when it was released by OpenAI? Answer: in billions. In the movie 2001, A Space Odyssey, HAL 9000 says he became operational in what year? Roughly how many years passed between Alan Turing's death and the first AI winter? Answer: in years. The transformer architecture, which underpins modern large language models, was introduced in a famous paper in what year? As of its first public release, GPT-4 was reported to score approximately what percentile on the Uniform Bar exam? And that's the final question. How many did you get right? Check your results in the app and see your final score. Let us know in the comments how you did. Challenge your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.